how to add or remove sound notifications button to quick settings panel on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the pencil icon or the edit button. Next, tap on edit. Now from here, we go down to the available buttons section. Then swipe across. Here, tap on sound notifications. Tap on it and that will be added to your quick settings panel. From here, tap on done, then tap on done again to save the changes. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now, whenever you want to quickly turn on or turn off sound notifications, just open up your quick settings panel. Here you can tap on it and then we can tap on next, tap on turn on, then allowed. So we've got sound notifications here. So we can swipe down and then tap on it to quickly turn on or switch off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you want to remove the buttons, simply go into an edit mode, then tap on edit. Now we go down and then tap on the remove button to remove sound notifications. And then tap on done and then tap on done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.